guys, it's Shannon. So I just got back from the Dollar Tree and spent like this close to almost $40. A few more cents and it would have hit $40 with tax. So I thought this was a perfect opportunity to do another Dollar Tree haul. So I have crafty stuff, I have lots and lots of snacks, and I also have some cleaning supplies. So let me show you what I got today for almost $40 at the Dollar Tree. All right, so here's a look at all of the damage done. Let me start over here on this side. I have two different things, bottled water, these mini ones, because my son will just kind of grab those. And it's kind of nice because then he doesn't waste like a whole bottle of water if he lets it sitting around. So these are basically for him. And then I got big bottles of water because I grabbed one of these water bottle additives. It's crayon apple Weiler's Light, and it says it's a good source of vitamin C, and there are 8 of them in here to go. So I grabbed a big thing of water and a little thing of water. Now I have so many snacks because obviously it is summertime and the kiddos are just snacking like crazy. So no, not everything is the most healthy, but it is easily accessible for them when they get hungry. So my son picked out cereal, kind of the Lucky Charms version from Dollar Tree. Easy thing for him to just grab the box and chow down on. Also these chicken flavored crackers, which are kind of like chicken biscuits, which we absolutely love. Those are actually really good. Some honey wheat pretzels. These are so good and sort of a healthy option too. I grabbed some of these cookies because, you know, sometimes you just want something sweet. I got these snack packs. This is the chocolate and vanilla, and there are 4 of them in there. Some of these little cups of applesauce for the refrigerator, as well as these mandarin orange cups. We love mandarin oranges, so we're gonna try these, and if they're good, then I will be buying lots and lots of those. I also am obsessed with these right now. It's like every time I go to Dollar Tree, I buy a thing of these peanut butter filled pretzels and I snack on them. It's not a very big bag, but they are so delicious. I also grabbed some fruit snacks. These are the Snoopy ones, super cute. And there are, let's see, six little things in there. So another thing for my son to just be able to grab. And then also for snacks, I have some of these pretzel and cheese dips or dippers. And then also some raisins. There's 6 of these little raisin containers in there. And then some marshmallows. And I also got these extendable forks for roasting hot dogs and marshmallows on. So these actually kind of compact down, but then they telescope out like that. So I picked up some marshmallows to go with those because we'll be doing those soon. And then let's go back over this way. So I was excited to find this round mirror. So this is a project coming up. It's a good sized one too. It's not a little bitty one like the little trays that you can set the candles on. So that was a pretty cool find. Also a glass dish here, or a candle holder for another project. I picked up 3 books and they're all different sizes because this is gonna be for another DIY coming up. So make sure you subscribe if you aren't already so that you can see what cool project I use these on. Then moving over here, we were completely out of paper plates, so I picked up just some paper plates. I know these aren't the best, but they're better than nothing right now. I also grabbed a solar light. This one's actually really pretty. It's not just plain clear, it's kind of a cracked glass look. And then also like a hammered metal. So just one of those sets for a project. I added this in my last Dollar Tree haul, and I just picked up another one because I have already washed my truck since then. So I like to keep these in my truck and use it to wash the windows and the dashboard and that kind of thing. And then after I use it, I just toss them. And I buy a new one and I keep it in my truck for the next time. Also, I found these cell phone holders. Mine broke, so I don't know if it's any good or not, but mine broke and I needed one. So I'm gonna try it and I'll let you know if this is worth the money. And then my son grabbed these Jurassic World Band-Aids because he is totally into dinosaurs and he goes through Band-Aids like crazy. So, oh, and then I also have 2 bags of these marbles. Kind of a fun sea, ocean sort of look to them with the blues and the greens. So really summery. I have some spoons. Yes, this is for a project coming up. Back here, I wished I would have had some of this wrinkle releaser the other day and didn't have any. So I made sure to add that to my list of things to grab. And you just spray it on your clothes and kind of flip them or shake them out, and then the wrinkles in your clothes just kind of fall out, which is nice. I also grabbed some sparklers, which will be fun at the bonfire when we do the marshmallows. And then I love this stuff. It's the Oxygen Orange. You add this to your laundry. So I like to add this in with like work clothes and towels. It's just kind of a nice little additive to give your laundry a boost. And then, oh, a couple other things back here. Some Pop-Tarts. I never buy Pop-Tarts, ask my kids, but for whatever reason, I have had a craving for Pop-Tarts, so for $1, it will beat the craving. And then we will never probably buy Pop-Tarts again, but they are so good. And then last but not least, a toilet bowl cleaner because we needed one of those, and for $1, you can't beat that. Use my son, he is hammering in the garage with his tools and playing construction worker, so we're just gonna let him do that. But here's a big pan of the haul today. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item is or which one you hope you can find at your Dollar Tree. If you guys enjoy videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I can keep bringing you Dollar Tree hauls if you enjoy them. Also hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also hit that bell so that you get notified when my videos do go live. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram and see sort of behind the scenes and extra little goodies and snippets that I don't always share on YouTube. So go over there and check those out. I will have them linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.